Imagine entering your office every day with the confidence of knowing exactly how to leverage artificial intelligence to drive innovation and increase your strategic clarity. In the AI for Innovation Strategists course, you learn how to transform AI from a buzzword into a trusted partner that amplifies your ideas into actionable insights. This course isn't about basic tech theory. It's a constantly evolving training program designed to keep your skills up to date. Each month, new advancements, practical case studies, and real-world strategies are integrated so that your approach stays fresh and marketable. We understand that your time is valuable. This course teaches you how to use AI-driven techniques to automate routine tasks, freeing you to concentrate on creative problem solving and high-level decision-making. The lessons are practical and immediately applicable, allowing you to see a significant boost in efficiency and a strategic edge in your work. And throughout your learning journey, you earn certifications that will boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase your earning potential, enhance your job security, and open new career opportunities. AI is not something to shy away from. It's a powerful tool that, when mastered, positions you as an indispensable leader. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up your strategic impact, these courses offer a hands-on approach that empowers you to integrate AI into your workflow seamlessly. Discover how to delegate the mundane to technology while you focus on visionary strategy and execution. You can explore all the AI for Innovation Strategists training courses on CompleteAItraining.com.